Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of diet plans to find the best 9 diet plans for total health. Finding a long-term nutritious eating plan that works for you is more important than deciding to just go for anything. These diet plans are best for losing weight and feeling great, but it might be difficult to know where to begin with so many options available. In this video, we will examine many well-known diets such as the Mediterranean diet and the ketogenic diet to assist you in selecting the one that best suits your needs and interests. Let's get started. Number 1. DASH diet. The DASH diet, also known as the Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension diet, maintained its position at number 2 on the 2022 list. This diet is suitable for everyone, not just individuals with high blood pressure. DASH is supported by the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, a division of the National Institutes of Health, NIH. It emphasizes the importance of consuming sufficient amounts of fruits and vegetables, nutritious grains, and lean meats. It is free from excessive salt, red meat, added sweeteners, or fat. Although the DASH diet plan is not specifically designed for weight loss, numerous individuals have reported losing weight while adhering to it. Number 2. The Mediterranean diet. This diet is widely popular in many countries as an effective way to lose weight. This diet is widely used in wellness places and is renowned for its nutritional benefits. This diet consists of a variety of nutritious foods, such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, fish, nuts, lentils, and olive oil. We rarely consume poultry, eggs, meats, and dairy in limited quantities. In addition to that, this type of diet limits the consumption of trans fat, sugary foods, processed meats, refined grains, and other processed foods. This diet focuses on incorporating fresh foods into your meals. It has been proven to lower the chances of developing various illnesses and ultimately extend lifespan. Due to its nutrient-rich composition, this fat loss diet plan has shown effectiveness in cancer prevention. This diet is ideal for individuals who have heart-related for individuals seeking to shed some pounds. This product contains a high level of antioxidants that help prevent inflammation and oxidative stress. Recent studies have also discovered a connection between the Mediterranean diet and a decreased risk of mental disorders. Learn more about a diet for people with diabetes. Number 3. Plant-based diet. 2 popular plant-based diets are vegetarianism and veganism. These diets restrict animal products for various reasons, such as health, ethics, and the environment. Additionally, there are plant-based diets that offer more flexibility, like the flexitarian diet. This diet allows for the occasional consumption of animal products while primarily focusing on plant-based foods. Vegetarian diets typically exclude meat while still allowing for the consumption of dairy products. Vegan diets usually do not include any animal products like dairy, butter, and sometimes even honey. The flexitarian eating plan is more of a lifestyle than a diet because it lacks strict rules or guidelines for calories and macronutrients. For plant protein instead of animal protein, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Eating meals that are minimally processed and made with natural ingredients while cutting back on sugar and sweets. In addition, it allows for the occasional consumption of meat and animal products. Number 4. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves a pattern of fasting and eating in cycles. It's basically a way of eating that involves specific times for eating and fasting. Using this meal plan, you have the option to enjoy dinner as early as 7 p.m. and then wait for your next meal after a 10, 12, or 14-hour break, depending on your circumstances. One option for organizing an intermittent fasting diet is to follow the 16-to-8 method. This involves eating for 8 hours each day and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. This will provide your body with the necessary energy to sustain you throughout the day and prevent hunger during fasting. This eating plan is designed to assist with weight loss, and enhance overall health. Number 5. The Volumetrics diet. The eating plan is designed to assist in weight loss by incorporating nutrient-rich foods that are low in calories and high in water content. Additionally, it limits the consumption of high-calorie items like cookies, candies, nuts, seeds, categorizes food into 4 groups based on their calorie density, which can be determined using Roll's method. Category 1 includes foods that have a very low calorie density, like non-starchy fruits and vegetables, non-fat milk, and broth-based soup. Category 2 consists of low-calorie dense foods such as starchy fruits and vegetables, grains, breakfast cereal, low-fat meat, legumes, and low-fat mixed dishes like chili. These foods are easy to understand and incorporate into a healthy diet. Category 3 consists of foods that have a moderate calorie density, like meat, cheese, pizza, bread, and ice cream. Group 4 consists of foods that are high in calories, including crackers, chips, chocolate sweets, almonds, butter, and oil. Meals on the volumetric diet primarily consist of foods from categories 1 and 2, with only a small selection from categories 3 and 4. The Volumetrics diet allows for a wide variety of foods and recommends getting at least 30-60 minutes of exercise each day. The Volumetrics diet emphasizes the importance of nutritious meals that are low in calories yet packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This approach can help you meet your nutritional needs and prevent deficiencies. Research has shown that diets with a low-calorie density are associated with improved diet quality. Additionally, it can decrease your intake of processed foods, potentially reducing your risk of developing certain cancers and heart disease. The Volumetrics diet can also help you lose weight. A comprehensive analysis of 13 trials involving a large sample size of over 3,000 individuals revealed that consuming diets rich in low-calorie density foods led to significant improvements in weight loss. Similarly, a comprehensive 8-year study involving over 50,000 women revealed that diets rich in calories led to increased weight gain. Number 6. Keto diet. The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, offers numerous health benefits. In this eating plan, the amount of carbohydrates you consume is significantly decreased and replaced with a higher intake of fats. Your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis when you create a calorie deficit. In this state, your body becomes highly efficient at burning fat for energy. Additionally, it leads to a significant decrease in blood sugar and insulin levels. Number 7. HCG diet. The HCG diet is known for its effectiveness in promoting rapid weight loss, with individuals typically losing 0.45 to 1 kilograms of body weight per day. Advocates argue that it enhances metabolism and promotes fat loss while keeping hunger at bay. The diet is broken down into 3 phases. During Phase 1, you begin incorporating HCG supplements into your routine. During the second phase, you will adhere to a diet that consists of a very low-calorie intake of only 500 calories per day. This is combined with the use of HCG pills, injections, or sprays. The recommended duration for weight loss is typically between 3 to 6 weeks. During Phase 3, you will discontinue HCG and gradually increase your food intake. Number 8. Zone diet. The zone diet emphasizes the advantages of maintaining a well-balanced diet. The recommended intake consists of 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% fat. Carbohydrates in your diet should have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar into your bloodstream gradually over time, helping you feel satisfied for longer. Ideal choices include lean protein and mostly monounsaturated fat. When selecting a diet, it's important to consider your lifestyle and food preferences. Although all of the diets mentioned have proven effective for weight loss, it's crucial to find one that suits you. Ultimately, this guarantees a higher chance of you staying committed. Number 9. Low-fat diet. By following a low-fat eating plan, you can effectively shed pounds by reducing your consumption of fat, including saturated fat and cholesterol. Low-fat diets are designed to lower the risk of conditions like heart disease and obesity. Weight loss success is not determined by the macronutrient composition, making it similar to low-carb weight loss diets. Say goodbye to surprise flare-ups. This video reveals the sneaky culprits that might be triggering your ulcerative colitis. Watch now and take charge of your well-being. Let me know in the comments what questions you have about these diets and which ones you're curious to try. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle content.